Hello guys, this is Tahir, and today we're going to see how to change all these sprites we have in our scene to one color with different shades. So as you can see, this is changing to the color red with its shades, and we can of course set any color we want, like pink. Okay, I'm gonna explain this real quick. First of all, we're going to create an empty game object, call it setColor, for example, and I will add this script that I created, and I'm going to show you in one sec. First, I created this script, and it's only like slots for our colors. So it's taken the hue of the color, the saturation, and the value. These three values here, we are taking them from the color in the sprite renderer. So as you can see, there is the RGB and there is the HSV, and this is the one we are using. So that's for the first script. For the second one, I've created a little bit more to the previous video. First, an array of the sprite renderer. We have these variables and we have this list of colors. In the second function here, generate a new color, we are just setting the value of our variables there to random value. And as you can see here, we are dividing it by 360 and here by 100. We want the final value of this line here to be matching with the value of the editor. And then in the update, we are calling this function when we press the mouse button, and this function basically is like looping through all the sprite renderer we have in the scene. And first it's generating a new color, so using this function, and then it's setting these three values to the color we have. So after adding this previous script to the empty object, we are going to open this list and start adding our elements. We can check the colors in there. So for example, for the red we have like between 335 to 360, and then we can have this to be 100, 100, or we can make it like 50, 100, 50, 100. We can have another color as well, or as much as you want. And here we can select which color we want these sprites to follow. So if we keep it at 0, it will follow the red. If we set it to 1, it will follow the green. So let's see. So yeah, as you can see, it's working with different colors. If we set this to 0 and we tried, yep, it's having all the shades of red. Nice. And lastly, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. It would encourage me to do similar videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.